Hi guys, it's Sandeep from FoneArena, and today we have a Bluetooth keyboard for unboxing. So this is the K380 multi-device Bluetooth keyboard from Logitech, and this has a really interesting design and it also supports multiple devices. You can see here it supports Windows devices, Mac, Chrome OS, iOS, and even Apple TV. That's quite a lot of devices and platforms that it supports, and additionally it also comes with different keys that allow you to quickly exchange the Bluetooth connectivity profiles between a particular device. So if you have one connected to your desktop or your laptop and the other connected to your tablet and smartphone, you can actually quickly switch between the three devices by just pressing each of the buttons. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. So it's pretty simple. You have the keyboard itself and you have a quick guide on how you actually pair it to your smartphone or Bluetooth enabled device at the back, and apart from that you also get some very light documentation. So that's pretty much it for the box itself. And now this has a battery that's built into it that is rated for a battery life of around two years, which is quite a long time, and we think that by the time the battery actually runs out, you would probably be on your next device already. So immediately I really like the keyboard. It looks really good. I love the blue color of this keyboard in particular, and this comes with two AAA batteries actually at the back, and like I said, they have a battery life of around 2 years. So just in case you do run out, you can actually buy more AAA batteries and put it in. The exact amount of time that you get in terms of usage would depend more or less on your exact usage patterns itself. So if you're a person who types a lot, perhaps you won't get 2 years of use, but at least a year for sure. So I quite like the blue color, and even the layout, it's a chiclet style layout, and the spacing seems to be quite good as well. But the fact that the keys are actually round in shape, perhaps that adds a bit of edge or actually makes it a bit more tactile and a bit more user friendly. The blue color looks really good, and I have the Honor 8 smartphone here, which is also in blue and actually looks pretty good. Perhaps I'll be using these two together in combination since it looks so good. So over here you have the three different keys. You have one key for the first device, second and third device, so you can easily switch between the three as and when you want. And on the left side over here you have the power button that you can use to actually turn the keyboard on or off based on your usage. At the back you have rubber stubs that prevent it from actually moving across the surface too much, and it also prevents you from scratching your surface. You have a K380 branding here, and also the battery slot over here, as you can see, it takes two AAA batteries. So let's just connect this to a device and then show you how it works. So I've actually gone ahead and connected the Logitech K380 to both these smartphones here. On the left you have the Honor 8 smartphone, while on the right you have the S7 Edge. So I've actually assigned the first one to the Honor 8 and the second one to the S7 Edge. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to a Bluetooth profile, press and hold whichever slot you want to allocate it to. So for instance, if I want to allocate the first slot to the Honor 8, I just press and hold the Bluetooth 1 button, which also acts as the F1 button. Press and hold that, and then it'll show up in the list of devices. Once I press connect, they'll ask you to key in the number that is showing on your smartphone and then press enter, and that's it, you're paired. And in order to switch between the two phones, it's actually even easier. You just need to press the Bluetooth button corresponding to the device that you want to use and make sure that Bluetooth is actually on. So right now I'll be just scrolling using the keyboard, going up and down on the Honor 8, and as you can see, it's pretty smooth, works pretty flawlessly. I can even go back, I can even press enter, I can key in different details. So if, for example, if I want to go to the address bar, I want to type phonearena.com/blog and press enter, and there you are, it's loading. So now in the meanwhile, if I want to switch over to the S7 Edge, I just press the Bluetooth 2 button, and as you can see, it shows Bluetooth keyboard connected, and I can again use that and give inputs on the S7 Edge as well. So I didn't have to do anything apart from the fact that I had to press that button. Overall, I quite like the feedback. It seems to be pretty fast. So that's it. I typed quite a lot in a really short span of time, and most keyboards with this sort of compact size or form factor won't really allow you to do that. And I think I wouldn't even mind replacing my notebook or laptop keyboard with this, since it's actually quite a small device to carry. It can't actually be folded, but it's still relatively compact, maybe a slightly elongated version of a tablet, and definitely smaller than the iPad Pro 12.2 inch. So overall, the build quality is really good. I quite like the tactile feedback that it provides, and it's also really practical since you can essentially connect it to 3 different devices and switch between them seamlessly without having to again go into the settings and do different stuff like that. The round keys again add to the really good feedback and reminds me of sort of the old typewriters that were there back in the day. So that was a quick unboxing and first impressions video of the Logitech K380 multi-device Bluetooth keyboard from FoneArena. If you like this video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.